Hey everybody, it's InnoVision, and we've got all 40 compute units unlocked on our BC250 board running the official SteamOS. You can see here we're on SteamOS 3.9 and I'm using my custom kernel that includes Doug's 40 CU unlock patch. And then you can see up here in this top terminal, we've got an active number of 40 CUs. And if we run his map utility, we can see all 40 CUs are populated here. Ideally, I'd prefer to be able to use the live manager. This one did require a lot more trials and tribulations under SteamOS simply because there's a lot of missing dependencies. For example, I had to hand compile several utilities, including libdrm. It seems that the versions that are included with SteamOS may be outdated or missing some of the features that we need. We're definitely going to need more investigation there. I'm really thankful for both authors for the 40 CU patch as well as the live manager. These are amazing tools and it sped up my development here. We've got Ratchet and Clank fired up here. And for the most part, it's staying close to 120 FPS. We do see some significant dips, but these are much higher frame rates than I was seeing at the same part of the game testing with just the 24 CUs. I'll definitely be putting together more comparisons in the weeks to come. I do feel like with 24 CUs, things run a little bit more stable, but I'll need more testing to confirm. For the time being, the way I was able to get this to work was by rolling out my own kernel. The good thing is once the kernel's built, it's something we can share with everyone. It doesn't require you to have to go and build it yourself. And I could even set up like a nightly build process or something of that nature. We'll figure it out. In the coming weeks, I'm going to be putting together my how to install SteamOS guide along with the kernel that I've currently built in case folks want to try it out. But one thing I can't stress enough is that this requires a massive amount of testing. It may prove to be more stable using 24 CUs, for example. We won't know until more people try things. And in the coming weeks, I'll be putting together some gameplay comparisons and some performance analysis showing the differences between SteamOS and CachyOS. Since both of them are built on the same Linux base, it's a more interesting comparison than, let's say, something like Bazite. I just wanted to share this update that we've got all 40 CUs unlocked on our BC250 running the official SteamOS. Until next time, hit that like button and subscribe. That way you don't miss all the amazing tech, toys, and gaming tips we've got coming down the pipeline.